They mocked him in the court. The board members whispered, the lawyers smirked, and even the spectators chuckled. To them, he was just a stubborn farmer clinging to a lost cause. They said the field was never his, that he was confused about the boundaries. Their arrogance grew louder with every laugh. But outside that courtroom stood a glittering restaurant, built on the very soil his father once tilled. Every brick of that building was a theft. Every dollar earned a reminder that his family's legacy had been stolen. For years, he had begged them to return it. They ignored him, mocked him, and finally dragged him into court. Now it was his turn. He rose, hands trembling but voice steady. From his worn briefcase, he pulled out a fragile, yellowed map. The official land survey, signed decades ago, sealed in ink no one could dispute. The judge compared it with the modern site plan. Silence spread across the courtroom as the outlines overlapped perfectly. The restaurant sat squarely on his land. High voltage, they thought he had nothing. But if you love seeing arrogance shattered by truth, hit subscribe right now. High voltage. The lawyer jumped up, shouting about forged papers. But then came the witness, the retired registrar, his hair silver, his voice firm. This land was never transferred. The ownership is clear. That restaurant is built illegally. The courtroom erupted. Gasps, whispers, the HOA president's face pale as chalk. The judge slammed his gavel. This court orders immediate seizure of profits, compensation for damages, and investigation of the HOA's conduct. The laughter that mocked him died instantly. The same people who dismissed him now stared in disbelief. The restaurant that had stood as a monument to their power became evidence of their downfall. He walked out of court not just with his land, but with justice. For years, they mocked his silence. Now their silence was all that remained.